Well, today I was going to go outside and do this video, but it's too darn cold and windy out there. So we're going to do it in the garage, right next to the new ResslerMania mobile. Well, fairly new. So what's the big news for this year? What's the plans for the channel? Well, for one, we're going to be pushing a lot more for the YouTube membership. Now, what do you get for YouTube membership? You get early access to all the videos. Because what I'm going to do is every video I put up, I'm going to put members only until a certain date, and then I'll make it open to the public. So those of you who are members, you get access to the video right as I upload it. What that means is it could be days in advance, but usually it's months in advance. Because a lot of times what I'll do, if it's not time sensitive, I would just simply upload them and then schedule them to be live at a later date. So I could be doing, let's say, a video on Maine or one of our other trips. But it's not time sensitive, so I'll edit it and I'll put it up. Let's say I have a slot open in February. Well, or March, or April, or way down to the end of the year. Then what I would do is I'll simply put it up for that month. But you have access today, the day I edit it and put it up. Pretty cool. So you could have a lot, and I mean a lot, of early access videos. And that's only, as of the time of this video, I only have, I think, the 99-cent one, which is the cheapest membership that you can get. I also do have Patreon, which I've had for years, but I never really pushed it. But now I think I'm going to push it a little more. And the reason for that is because of the video I just had up on how much YouTubers make. So my goal is to get more subscribers. My goal is to, of course, make more money for the channel so that I can use that money to do other trips, other unboxings, other techs, those kind of things. Which brings me to the next thing. The next thing is I'm going to change the channel up just a little bit. I'm still going to be mostly focused on tech and travel. That's not going to change. But I'm also going to get a little bit back into gardening, those kind of things. But on Tuesdays, that's going to be my Tech Tuesday. So the unboxings are going to be on Tuesdays. At least that's the plan. Now, if I don't have a tech to put up, I might do a gardening spot or something like that. But I'm going to try to keep Tech Tuesday as tech or unboxing as I possibly can. And then Saturdays, like I have been doing, or some other day during the week, I haven't quite decided. I think I'm going to keep it Saturday, is when I do the travel videos or maybe home vlog or something like that. So that's my plan. That's what I'm hoping to do. That's where I want to take the channel, because there's some things in the future that I'll be announcing. But hopefully, if all goes well, there'll be some changes in my personal life as well. Kind of a little carrot there, a little hint. So that's the update. That's the plan for this year. So 2 videos a week, Tech Tuesday, and then probably Saturday. And pushing for the memberships, because we really do need that. And also Patreon, if you want to do Patreon. And I'll explain all that later this year. And that's it. So please stay with me. Let me know what you want to see. Because if I could do it financially, time-wise, physically, hey, I'll give it a shot. Okay? So give me ideas. And with that said, have a great day. Man, it's cold and windy out there. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but it's windy.